Now we are going to discuss circles and cylinders and cones by reviewing the concepts we have been discussing about rectangles, triangles, prisms, and pyramids. Let's look at our formula sheet. We know area of a rectangle is length times width. Area of a triangle is length times width divided by 2, or base times height divided by 2. And I'm sure you have learned in the past that area of a circle is pi r squared, where pi is 3.14159. You may have learned 3.14. 3.14159 is more exact. So, area of a circle is pi r squared, so that's 3.14159. The radius is 3, and squared means you have to multiply it by itself twice. So, we get 28.2743 when we multiply those numbers, and this is area, and our radius was in centimeters, so the units for our answer is centimeters squared because area is two-dimensional. Now let's consider a cylinder where the base and the roof are identical, so we know this cylinder would also be called a circular prism, but because it's a circle, it gets a special name called cylinder. So a circular prism is a cylinder. We are going to compare that with a cone. Now let's pretend this is 3. Oh wait, the units are totally different. Let's pretend this is 3 for radius and 13 for the height, just so we're dealing with the same cone here. So to get the volume of this cylinder, we would want the area of the base and multiply that times the height to get the three-dimensional volume. Area of the base is pi r squared since it's a circle, and we're going to multiply by the height of the cylinder. So 3.14159 times my radius times the height of the whole thing is going to give us 367.5660, and they don't give me units, so I'm going to say units. It's volume, so it's cubed. So volume of a three-dimensional object is always the area of the base times how high you're going to stack up all those areas. So the volume of this black cone, so we're not doing the green cylinder part, just the black cone. So the volume is going to be the volume of the green cylinder, which is pi r squared h. That would give us the volume of the green cylinder, but we want the volume of the cone, so we are going to divide by 3. So 3.14159 times my radius squared times the height of the whole thing divided by 3 is going to give me 122.5220 units cubed for my volume.